Well, hello there, all you wonderful nail techs out there. And as I promised, this is the Gold Range Part 2. We're going to post this one. It's going to be a gold nail as well. But we're going to use chrome today to show you how I do this design. So, I've taken my little nail stand, prepped a tip for you, like you would your client's nails. And then, of course, we're going to start. And I found with chrome powder, especially the silvers and all the, the silver, the gold, and all the very shiny ones, which they actually all are, is I use a black nail polish, okay, to do my design. So we're going to start by taking some of the black and I'm going to do a design, cutting it with the tip of the nail polish brush, just like that, because we want to put more design on it after we've put the chrome on. I'm going to put one thin layer of black. That's all I use to put my chrome on. I don't use a lot of nail polish, especially because it's black and because it's pigmented. So it normally, if you put it too thick, it doesn't cure and it makes all these little bubbles and stuff. So there we've got it. We've got this design painted on with normal black nail polish gel. There we go. So now we're going to cure it. I cure it because it's a very thin layer and it is kind of see-through. I cure it for 30 seconds. So let's do that. So now this nail is cured. Okay. I use this little applicator. That's already got some pigment in the lid. But I want it a little bit more goldy. So I'm going to use my chrome powder that I just tap with the gold. And you'll see as I put it on how it actually just glides on. Dip in again, just to make sure that you've got enough powder. And I rub, and I keep on rubbing because I want it to be very, very shiny. And I rub. You know that's what I do. There we go. You just keep on rubbing. I just keep on rubbing it. Okay, and it looks like we're fine. I always just close my chrome powder because you know what? Mishaps happen quite often. So there we go. I'm just going to dust it off a little bit. See how nice that shine is? It is absolutely awesome. Let me just bend my light a little bit closer. There we go. That is gorgeous. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is put a non-stick top coat over. That is this one. It's called Top Coat. It's a non-stick one. And you'll understand, or I'll explain, once we've done that. I'm going to put it over the whole nail. There we go. Now I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And there, the top coat, no sticky, oopsie, guys. There we go. So now we've got this tip here. It looks fine the way it is, but you know me, I just always want to zhoosh it up a little bit more. So I've taken the same black polish that I've used, and I'm just going to draw a little bit of a line. Yeah, that's going to stand out a little bit more. When you work with a natural nail, especially at the back where the UV lamp or your LED lamp can't shine through it, as you can see here, it is see-through, so black cures a lot easier. But when you have a natural nail, the finger actually prevents the LED light from coming through. So you've got to put it, work in thin layers. Rather put 5 or 6 layers if you need to get your chrome effect. Takes time, takes a little bit of effort, but the results are absolutely beautiful. You see, as I go, I'm trying to keep the width of the line the same. And then I'm just going to draw one here. If I go quiet, it's because I'm concentrating a little bit. So we will just do a design like that. Okay, so now we're going to cure this. Because it's a little bit thicker, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And there it's cured. Can you see the nice little pattern that we've got on this nail? Okay. Now, I'm going to take the chrome powder and go over that too. And I'll tell you why I do that. Because we want it to stand out. We want it to have a little bit of a ridge. So now I've taken a little bit of rubber top or a rubber base. Doesn't really matter which one you're looking at. And I'm going to put on the chrome and then build it up with a see-through. So what we do now is we take our chrome powder again. I'm just going to dip it in here and go over it so that you can see the little bit of a ridge. I just keep on rubbing a little bit. Oh, sorry, I'm out of frame. I am such a silly Billy. There we go. Take a fine brush and I'm just going to go off screen and dust it. Can you see that ridge? It is beautiful. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my rubber base or a rubber top or a thick top coat, whichever one you want to use. So I'm just going to go in and draw a little bit of a thicker line to seal in that chrome powder that we've put over the black here to form this little ridge. And as I've drawn the line, I'm just going to go in and cure it for a few seconds. Just to set it in place so that it doesn't run. Okay, it's cured. 5 seconds. So I'm going to go in with a second one. Just draw over that little ridge so that it stands out. Cure it quickly, 5 seconds. Just to set it in place. Let's close this chrome powder. We've done that. Now we're going to do the last one. Just make sure that you don't have excess. Okay, so now I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. That is cured. So just to make sure, I'm going to go over that rubber top with my chrome powder again. Rub it, keep on rubbing it so that it goes in. There we go. Take your brush, dust off all the excess, and you'll see that there's a bit of powder or chrome there. What I normally do is just take a little bit of my rubbing alcohol, gel wipe, whatever you use, and I just go in and I clean it off. You could leave that piece another color or anything like that, or make it another color before you put the black on. But this is the design I actually just wanted to show you today. It is in the gold range. There's another few coming up in the gold range. Now what we're going to do is top coat, and then we are done. We are going to say, voila, finished. And now, to make it stand out a little bit more, I'm just going to top coat the gold part. Now we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then we are done. There we go. The design is done. I wanted to say thank you everyone for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe. I'd love you to become my subscriber friend. So there we go. Lots more designs and stuff to share with you over the next few months coming. Or even years if possible. Have a fantastic day. Have a good one. Cheerio, everyone. Bye-bye.